The Honeywell InSight HEPA Tower Air Purifier monitors its surroundings to help improve your air quality and is perfect for rooms as large as 200 square feet. The new InSight display at-a-glance panel on the front of the unit illuminates to show the air quality indicator from a distance so you can always know the quality of the air you're breathing. The HEPA filtration helps capture up to 99.97% of microscopic airborne allergens and particles such as dust, pollen, pet dander, dust mite debris, and smoke that passes through the filter. The advanced carbon pre-filter helps to capture larger airborne particles and reduces odors and VOCs. On the top of the unit, you'll find the control panel for the 4 cleaning levels including Quiet Clean, General Clean, Pollen, and Turbo, an automatic shut-off timer, control dimmer adjustment, and filter check reset lights. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.